Hey, hello everyone, it's Cody H here. In this video, I'm going to explain why a 7-figure stock option and real estate investor like myself is still renting an apartment. So the reason for that, number one, is the flexibility, right? So having the flexibility of closing the door and go wherever I want to go is paramount for me. So I just came back from Vietnam and Thailand for a month. Having the flexibility of just closing the door, don't have to worry about if you want to mow the lawn, shovel the snow, and just go is paramount. Another point for flexibility is that if I want to move to Asia for certain months of the year or move to Central America, I can easily go. Another benefit for renting an apartment instead of owning is that I don't have to tie down here for 5 years, because if I own a mortgage, I really have to stay in this place for more than 5 years to make sense. Another benefit of renting an apartment is that we have the gym readily available. I can take the elevator down. The gym is right there. Again, it's not a full gym, but has everything I need to stay fit, just like right now. And another feature I really like about living in an apartment is having the swimming pool, right? We have a cold water and hot water jacuzzi as well, overlooking the city of Toronto. It's just a lot of fun. You don't have to drive to a community center or having a swimming pool in your own backyard, which cannot be open during the winter. Hey, another reason why I like to rent an apartment is because of the location. So I'm very close to all these restaurants around the city and suburban. So I live right between city and suburban. I'm over the party and the nightlife, but I love the natures as well. So this place where I'm renting is 20 minutes to the city and very close to all these tennis courts, indoor tennis courts, and all these golf courses, and all these golf simulator as well. And the next reason why I love renting apartments is because I don't feel like sacrificing the square footage, right? The apartment I'm living in is about 1,000 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 washroom. I don't have any kids yet. I do have a dog. It doesn't occupy a lot of space. One room is for my office, one room is where I sleep, and most of the time I hang out in this huge living room. Currently, I do have a cleaner that comes every 2 weeks to clean my entire place, do all the hard lifting stuff, and I just vacuum once every week. But once I have a bigger place, first of all, the cleaner will cost me more, so I probably need to buy more furniture that I don't really need just to fill the place up so that we don't get any echo in my apartment. The last reason why I think it's really smart to rent an apartment when you're young, in your 20s and 30s, especially before you have kids, is because usually apartment has a lower cost per square footage comparing to a house. There's less maintenance and you get the similar amount of space. You don't have to spend so much time on maintenance and the cost of it because it's a lot of work. And at this point, you don't really need a garage or really a backyard for your kids yet. And you can invest the money that you did not put into the house, invest in your business, or just elsewhere to make you more money and just stay at a place for your lifestyle. So there you have it. That's based on my priorities. Where I'm age 32, I reached my financial freedom, so I don't have to drive to work and work at 9-to-5 jobs. You might have different priorities, but I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you find any value, make sure you like this video and subscribe. If you have any question with different viewpoint, put it down in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next video. Say yeah.